G'day viewers, well I've got some more lead here. Melted down some more lead. And when you do all this, have good ventilation, whatever you do. Because you don't want to breathe in the nasty fumes of lead. So, this is done in an old saucepan. On an open flame, saucepan, just like trying to boil water, you melt some lead. I did melt these ones. This is a different bit of lead altogether. It's a good weight there. Very handy, good paperweights that. I also kept these bottles too, because the battery on our ATV or motorbike, the hole to actually top the battery up with acid, the holes are the access holes, ports to fill the battery up, are no bigger than the bottom of that spark plug. And if you go and try and pour distilled water in there, you make a hell of a mess, and it's got to allow the air to get in there so that you can fill it up with efficiently. What I tend to do, pull this bloody thingy off, I'll put distilled water in one of these and use this to put it in. So you can stick this right in the hole and you can efficiently fill the battery up to the line. Much neater, and you don't get risk getting dirt in the battery either. So there's also yeah, very handy. I might try running this thing off a battery. I'll go for revise my schematic again and ballast this thing and just carefully run it off a battery, because I reckon my power supply hasn't got enough filtration. That's probably why this thing's not oscillating. I'm probably having the same problem like I was having trying to test the SCR. The ripple current was stopping this from working. Because I've just been taking note now, you need a lot of filtration if you're going to run one of these off a rectified transformer. I'll do a quick little ballast setup and hook it up to a battery, see what happens. I'll use a ballast just in case I've messed up. I don't want to risk popping another MOSFET. Anyway, let's see what happens. Okay viewers, I didn't get this off on camera, but I tried to connect my ballast and I jumped the wrong terminal. I went to connect the ballast through here, and I hit the wrong terminal, went straight unballasted and popped this MOSFET. Puffed out some smoke. Last time that one air blew, but now this one blew, so I'm getting there. Anyway, would like to get one of those little drivers that high on voltage on rules uses. Makes it more universal, so you can adjust the frequency easy. Although this is a fun driver, it's a bit too destructive on the flyback. I want something that lasts a little bit longer. Anyway. Okay viewers, well this is the main communications board from a fax machine. I think I might have done a video on this. This is the Panasonic fax machine I tore down a while ago. I don't think I've been needing this circuit board anymore. I'll raid that fuse because that would be a handy replacement. The capacitor as well. And that's a sheet of capacitors, should go pop quite nicely. I might raid that resistor too. Get what I can off it, and the rest will just be MOT'd to earth. Anyway, pull the firmware out. Might pop that battery too. I'll take that off and pop that separately. It's a rechargeable lithium CR2032 3V Japan. I'll test it. If it's got charge in it, I'll keep it. I will use that to power small remote controls. So instead of having a bloody buy these all the time, if this is fully charged, I'll keep that one as a spare. Viewers, I've got a good fuse, a good Xena diode, a good resistor, kept that chip, and that battery is fully charged, so I'll be reusing that. Alright, let's finish this thing off. Got some little sensors there too. A photo transistor and an LED on one side. It's NOHM, the brand. I think they need a driver to run, I'm not too sure. I might take them off the board just for the hell of them. See if I can make any use out of them. Okay viewers, I'm going to do a little extra safety precaution here. Have an earthing stake. The distance between this and my electrode to earth is a lot shorter than the distance between me and the earth. I'm going to get this in the ground. I gotta use something much stronger than this by the looks of it. This ground's a lot harder than I thought. So that can go there, and that's a lot shorter distance to get to Earth instead of having to go all the way through the Earth and run all the way through this cable to get to Earth. So I'll shorten the distance to greatly reduce the risk here. It's pretty moist under there, so we'll see how that goes. So I'll have to get a stake, and yeah, that's not very good. Let's have a proper earthing stake so you get good connection in the ground. There we go, an earthing spoon. Works quite well. The spoon works quite well, it's nice and stiff, I can get it in the ground easily. Alright, now to get me setup down here. Plug that in. Power point to the each, so I can unplug safety first. Just before I start, I'm going to get my sunglasses so I don't get arc eye. Because I also capacitors could end up with eye. Alright. Got my safety glasses on. Let's commence the popping. Get the camera set up a bit here. There's not much room between the tripod here, so let's get this turned on. Alright, power point's on. Contactor on. Ground's a bit moist. Been a bit wet lately. Pop some capacitors. Making a little fumigate, whatever the bloody hell they call it. I can't remember now. When you melt sand and make a little sculpture. Can't remember the word. There we are. Earthing stake. Much shorter distance between me and Earth. So it's an extra safety precaution. Always have an earthing stake like that, just to make it extra safe. I am still taking the ordinary precautions I always do, like my feet together and on the rubber mat. So be very careful when doing this sort of thing. Wheels just got interrupted there. As soon as I was interrupted, unplug safety first. Straight away. Power on. Oh, let's pop these electrolytic capacitors that are unvented. Oh, no bangs. Now, I've bent them and faced them away, so they're going to shoot that way, not towards me. Because it'll hurt quite a bit if you get hit by one of these. Disappointing, no bangs. Disappointing. Oh, I want bangs, loud bangs, damn it. Again, I'm taking caution not to touch the tripod either of the camera. So, there we go, it's a bit louder. Always, yeah, safety first. Always safety first on your mind when you're doing this sort of thing. Probably should wear a welding mask actually. I should try this with a solo welding mask. Might be a better protection from the eyes too. Sunglasses just aren't quite the right type for this sort of brightness. Pull those crystals. There you go, I drove the moisture out of the ground. Direct to earth. No, I think I finished this off. It's new. It's totaled. Make a little sculptures in the ground there. Yeah, too far apart to make a continuous conductive track. There you go, some molten dirt there. More molten dirt. Alright. There you go. Let's see if that makes a little path of molten dirt. Dead short now. Yep. There you go. It's dirt welded to the spoon. Damn, that is bright. Yeah, that's some serious power there. Making molten sculptures out of the dirt. Alright, that'll be enough for now. Unplug safety first. Alright. Yes, regular sunglasses, definitely not enough. Starting to get a bit of arc eye there. Always have your proper safety measures in place. Alright, everything's been unplugged. Because that one in the carnage. Yeah, none of those capacitors are very exciting, were they? They all vented slowly and melted a hole in that one. And that one. Yeah, it's totaled. It's quite literally bit to dust. Our spoon. A bit of heat there still. See if I can get those little sculptures out of the ground. This one is cooled down a bit. There we are. Mixed with some solder. Interesting. More there. Interesting. Get that out of the ground. How warm is that? Oh, that got quite hot. A lot of current there. See if I can get the sculpture heading. Oh, it's hot. There we are. Oh, that was red hot. Molten. Molten dirt. There we are. I think that's all it there. I got it all out. I'm digging down about an inch and I can still see the black where the actual arc went. So, zoom into that. You can see where it got dried out. There we are, keep digging. How far down did that go? Yeah, it's about 30 millimeters down, 3 centimeters, and I can still see some black burnt dirt. So, pretty interesting. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.